big random haul. Just many places, just random. Hi guys, what's up, Bella? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing my face. I hope this isn't the last time. I think you're gonna enjoy my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a very random haul. I kind of have gotten this stuff just at random places. It's not like, you know, a certain type of brand haul, if that makes sense. It's just a bunch of accumulated stuff from many different stores. I have a good amount of clothes, but I am not going to be doing a try on because I like to do try-ons that are like dedicated videos. But I'm gonna be talking about each piece, and I'm gonna try to link what I can down below. A lot of this stuff is from a boutique, so I don't think it's online, but I'm gonna try my hardest. I have a couple sunglasses from Key, Australia. I have 3 PR packages, and yeah, I'm really excited for this video to share everything that I got with you guys. I just do a lot of hauls on my channel. I do many different types of videos, and if you guys want like really positive vibes, genuine content, and you want a tight bond with the community, then this is the channel for it. Make sure you subscribe, and you also click that bell so you can join the Goria gang. I would love to have you join. I post every Tuesday and Friday, but I also have a ton of extra videos where I'm able to. And why don't we go ahead and get started, because I'm really excited. And my favorite thing about filming hauls is like putting it all away, which like is the most random thing, but I just love filming and like cleaning up after. It's weird, I know, but let's go ahead and get started. Just kidding. I first want to go ahead and do some subscriber shout outs. This is just of a few people who come to mind really quickly. I just posted a video, and these are the people that like literally are the first to watch my video on this certain video. So if I don't mention your name, like it's fine. I'm gonna be doing these more, and I'm gonna be trying to do them more. But I first want to shout out Ethan Lopez. He watches all my videos, and I'm so appreciative to have him here. And yeah, guys watch my channel too, which is pretty cool. And then I'm gonna pick one more. Sophia Mendoza, thank you so much for watching my videos. She was the first to comment on today's video, which is super cool. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. You guys, make sure you are a part of our notification squad, and you have that bell on once you subscribe, so you're like the first to comment, and I will try to always shout out you guys, because you guys mean the world to me. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm first gonna start off with this PR package right here. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. Like, who would have ever thought? This is the coolest thing ever. I got this in the mail the other day, and I actually already lost the part, like the big box that came in. But this is the second big box, I guess. So on the front it says, "It's about to glow up." This is their new collection, and I have like the little booklet right here with Francesca Tolat. I've never even heard of this girl, but she came out with really good stuff. Like, I was shook. So this is what it looks like. This is like the real deal PR package. I was so shook. I'm so thankful. So thank you to Ofra Cosmetics for sending this to me complimentary. I really appreciate it. But okay, so I have been using these 2 palettes. Well, mainly the face palette, but I've been using both. But I put them back in here so I can show you guys how everything looks. Alright, so here's the eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty this is. It has like a pop of green, a pink, and orange, and it has some neutrals down here, like more blue and purples. I love this so much. I have been just gravitating mostly towards this orange in my crease, like a very light wisp of it, because I'm not, you know, a fan of too much orange. And then I've just been applying this like highlighty type of color all over, and I love it so much. I can't wait to dabble more into this. And like, I had no idea Ofra even had eyeshadows. Like, am I the last person to know this? Yeah, but they're really good. They blended like really well. But the one thing I was excited for, like the thing mostly out of this PR package when I saw it, was the face palette. You guys know how much I love face palettes. I review a ton of face palettes. So here's what this one looks like. It has 2 big bronzers and then 2 blushes. This is my favorite. Let me tell you why. This blush down here, it's like a clementine orange. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to get on my sweater, but look how, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I love it so much. I cannot wait to see darker skin tones wearing this. I feel like it's gonna look very good. Don't know what I was saying right there. I'm just like so excited. But I love face palettes so much. This has been like my go-to. I do wish it had a highlighter in it. Like, I wish they did 2 bronzers, like obviously 1 light, 1 dark. One is darker than the other. This one's darker. And like a highlight, and then like 1 blush, but it's perfectly fine because I love Ofra highlighters so much. But yeah, I love this so much. And then the last thing that was in here is a trio lip set. And the colors that are in here are Vermilion, Ruby, and Baroque. Don't even know. But I'm going to try these out a little bit more to see how I like them. I have one Ofra liquid lip, but it's in their old packaging, like just a circle. But I'm pretty sure they revamped all of their packaging to like the square packaging. So I need to try their new formula. I don't know if it's like new formula and new packaging, or just like new packaging. But yeah, I do need to try these more. I'm gonna go ahead and like do an insert pop in right now of how I like them. All of these shades are really pretty. I really like the formula, and I'm gonna go to Ulta and see if they have more of like neutral shades, because I'm a neutral person, but I really like them, and I don't know if it's new packaging, or no, I know it's new packaging. I don't know if it's a new formula. I need to do my research, but Ofra kills it with liquid lip. So. But yeah, thank you so much, Oprah, for sending these over. I really appreciate it. Like, such a dream. And yeah, let's move on to the next stuff. Like the next product, not next stuff. I'm too excited for this. Okay, something else that I got are these glasses from Key Australia. The boutique that I always go to, Silver Gallery, sells Key Australia. So I'm gonna talk about, ooh, these ones right here. Okay, so they sell Key Australia, obviously, just said that 100 times. And so I picked out a few pair of glasses that I wanted. All right, so this first pair right here is called Hardwire. I got these mainly to just drive in my car. I feel like you can never have enough sunglasses to keep in your car, because sometimes you just gotta have a couple to, you know, see which ones you wanna wear that day. And it's just like a basic black sunglass. They're not aviator style. I don't even know what style you would call this, but I'm trying not to get my ring light in it, but it's kind of impossible. But this is what they look like. They fit really nicely. They do sit a little bit on my cheeks, but like I don't mind that at all. I need to put these in my car like ASAP. I also got the blue light ones, and these are in the style Still Standing. I love styling glasses. Like, I love wearing glasses for many reasons, but I used to wear them all the time to like, just like aviators that were like not polarized or like prescription or anything. They were literally just like a blue light glass. Basically fake glasses. I used to wear fake glasses because I just love glasses. I remember one year my dad got me some from Claire's, but these are beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to wear these with like, just a fit, a look, an outfit. These are called the Still Standing, and they have the gold outlining, and they're blue light, so you can wear these like while you're on your computer, you know, you're editing, doing school, online school, like whatever, and it'll help you, or even like on your phone. It'll just help like the blue light. I'm not sure everything about blue light, but these are just so cute. The last style I got are called walk-on glasses, and they're the black blue lights, and I have some that are really similar to the Diff. These are literally the same as the Diff eyewear ones that I already have. Oh gosh, I might not be keeping this pair, but look how cute. They're just like your classic black blue light style. So yeah, I love Key Australia. I love Diff eyewear too, so I don't know why I got these mixed up. Another item I got was from a brand called Case Up and Go. They reached out to me, wanted to send me one of their new makeup cases, so I said yeah, sure, like why not. I haven't used it yet, but here's what it looks like. It's pretty nice quality. It honestly kind of looks like an iPad case, does it not? Like when I first got it, I was like, wait, I don't remember getting an email from this company, like an iPad case company. But no, it's just a makeup case. It's kind of like, from what I can tell, a little small. I'm not sure how much it's gonna fit, but this might be like just like a weekender makeup, like, you know, travel case, not like a all week one, you know. It depends on how minimal you are with your makeup. I'm definitely not minimal, but I'm definitely gonna try this out more. Thank you guys so much for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. Next up, oh, I'm gonna talk about this sweater right here. I got this from Target. It's from the Wild Fable collection, and it was only 20 bucks, which is really good for a sweater. But y'all know this is my favorite color. Lilac, like light neon purple is my favorite color ever. It's so pretty. But I got this a little bit ago. It's kind of like a high-low at the bottom. It kind of comes up a little higher, and I mean, kind of comes up a little higher in the front. But it's just like a basic sweater. It's so soft, so cozy, and I do need to wear this. I need to take the tag off and wear this. But Target literally has the best clothing. I have a couple pieces from Target in this video. The next clothing piece I got is from Free People by the Daydreamer for Free People collection. This is just the Led Zeppelin oversized tee. I love wearing oversized tees with biker shorts. Like, it's my favorite thing ever to do. So I just thought this would be like another like little good addition to my oversized tee section in my closet. I don't know. This one is also from Free People. It's just a Rolling Stones shirt. It has the tongue on the front, the classic red tongue, and on the back it says Rolling Stones 89. It's from the Daydreamer for Free People line too. I can try to link this down below if I'm able to find it for you guys. The most soft t-shirts ever. The quality is so amazing. Something I love about Free People shirts is that they literally last me for years. Like, I can get one, like I got, that totally made no sense. I got one like 3 years ago, and it still looks brand new, like now. They wash so well, and they wear so well, and they are just such good quality. So I know I'm gonna have these for many years. I wore this in my skincare declutter video. I will link it down below if you guys wanna watch it. But I got a couple questions like where I got this from, so I thought I would just go ahead and tell you guys. But it's from Target. It's the Wild Fable collection. I got it in a size small, and it's a sheer cheetah t-shirt top. I wore a bodysuit under in that video because, like I said, it is sheer. But it's just simple. It's so cute. I love the cheetah print it is. Like, I don't know, I feel like this one's very versatile and like very different than like a regular cheetah print I've seen. I like how it's a little bit like more black in the middle and it kind of like fades out to white. I love it so much. You can also wear a bandeau under it, or even like during festival season, you can totally wear this if you want to. I got a pair of shorts from Wild Fable. I got these in a size 6. And they're just a black high-waisted short. These were only like $14 for a pair of shorts, which is so amazing. You can never have too many pairs of black shorts, so I decided to pick these up. And they're like apparently like 100% recycled, I think, which is absolutely amazing too. So I gotta support that. All right, these are from the boutique that I shop at, Silver Gallery. These are by the brand cellojean.com. These are in a size medium, and they're just a basic white high-rise short. They look like this. I feel like you can never have enough high-rise white shorts either. Like I wear them so much during the summer, and I always need like a backup pair because I do wear them so much. But yeah, they're super soft, very, very nice quality. And they're just like super stretchy, which is really nice. You know, after you eat, you gotta have some stretchy shorts or jeans on. You guys like my little pile over here? So this next item I got sent in PR. It's from a brand on Amazon. I will link it down below, like their shop, but they sent me pajamas, and when I saw these and I got them in person, I like literally flipped out. They also sent me like a Calvin Klein underwear set, but it has like their name on it. It's over in that drawer. So I'm gonna just show you my favorite piece, which is this piece right here. So it's just these shorts with like a lace trim at the bottom, and then this is what really gets me. It looks like a Victoria's Secret sleepwear set. Yeah, it's like not even half the price. It's way less than half the price, but it just has, here, let me undo it for you. So it has a collared neck right here, and then it's outlined in white. The little pocket right here has the lace on it, which is so cute, and so do the sleeves, and it buttons up really nicely. I love getting ready in these sort of sets. So nice. My mom already took, they sent me another one that has like long sleeve and long pants. She already took that. So shows you how good they are. Thank you guys so much for sending this to me. Next up, these are from the Silver Gallery boutique that I go to. These are, I think these are just called baby tees, but these are from, oh my gosh, my lighting is totally going in and out. I'm so sorry. But these are from Free People. They're just basic tees. They're a little bit more of a tight fit than like the regular tees I have. I got these both in size mediums. I have a green, army green color. Sorry guys, this lighting is going crazy. Like I didn't think natural lighting messed with me as much as this lighting does, like with ring lighting, but it does. And then I also got it in a black color. It's just like a simple baby tee, very tight, very nice. Ooh, something else I just got in PR. I haven't tried this out yet, but I'm gonna try it out tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip in after I talk about this, but it's from Amika Hair. Thank you guys for sending this to me. It was complimentary from them, which is really, really nice. So it is the Amika Hair Volume and Thickening Conditioner and Shampoo. Y'all know I've struggled for a little bit. Well, not struggled, like I don't suffer from it, but I've been trying to get a little bit like more of like voluminous volume hair, and it's godsend. One, it's my favorite color ever, purple. The packaging is amazing. But two, I also have been looking for a really nice like a volumizing shampoo and conditioner, and so I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna try it tonight, and I will go ahead and insert how I feel about it right now. Hey guys, so I've tried it twice, the shampoo and the conditioner. The first time I tried it, I noticed a massive difference with just like thickening and a lot more volume in my hair. It did kind of make my dandruff flaky situation flare up a little bit more than like usual, and I'm not sure why, like what ingredient made it do that, but it does everything it said it did, like on the packaging, and it claims to do. Just like really thickens your hair and really helps it like just be a lot more like voluminous. And I have it in today. Today I tried it for the 3rd time, and you can just tell like I just have so much volume in my hair, and it just looks healthy. And yeah, so I do like it, and I would repurchase it, like but I just need to figure out like this whole like scalp situation, because it's getting really annoying. But I really like this shampoo so far. But it smells really good, and it looks nice. It's very promising. I think Amika has amazing hair products, and I don't doubt this isn't gonna be amazing. So thank you guys so much for sending this to me. I love it, and I'm probably gonna repurchase this depending on what I just said before. But yeah, thank you guys. Next up, we have one more thing. Oh my gosh, that went by so quickly. So as most of you guys know, I did a what's in my purse. I own a Gucci purse. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I got it for Christmas of last year. But sometimes it's like not something I want to take like, that doesn't make sense. Sometimes it's just not something that I want to take out, if that makes sense. Just trying to say, sometimes it's like it's a little too flashy, and I don't want to act pretentious or be pretentious. Like, so sometimes I just don't want to take that purse like with me to certain events, because it's just like I don't want to worry about having something that expensive on me, and then I just like don't want to always wear something like that. Does that make sense? Like sometimes you just gotta have a purse that's like not as expensive, you know? So back in February, I went to Disney Springs with a couple people from my brother's college, and I had my Gucci purse, and like sometimes when you have something so expensive on you, like keep worrying about it, like if I leave it somewhere and blah blah blah, and sometimes like I just don't have to worry about that. So I got this really nice hobo purse, and it was still, you know, it was not like the cheapest thing ever, but I got a hobo purse, and I'm really excited because I don't know, sometimes I just don't want to take that purse with me some places because I'm scared to see if they're gonna get stolen or I'm gonna lose it, and like that's not replaceable. So I got this hobo purse. I don't know what style this is. It's just called the Cadence Black Genuine Leather Purse. So it just looks like this. It's just like a black simple purse, and it has a long strap too. Like I said, just because sometimes I don't want to also like be pretentious like when I'm wearing that stuff, and sometimes like I just don't think it's a place to bring that sort of item. Do you guys see what I'm saying? Like I know that kind of sounds like a little confusing, but anyways, and plus it has like silver hardware, and my Gucci purse has gold hardware. But yeah, I just got this, thought it was cute. I hope they come out with this in white because I would love white. But it's about the same size as my Gucci. It's a little bit smaller, but it's big enough for a phone, lip gloss, you know, your wallet. And it has like another pocket over here, which I really appreciate. And I really love the way it looks. It's so cute. And it comes with a dust bag to store. Alright guys, so that's everything I got in this video. I'm sorry like I wasn't all done up today. I just wasn't feeling it. Sometimes it's like so nice to just like to be able to film with you guys and you guys like accept me for who I am. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you have gotten recently. This is not going to be the end of the hauls. Trust me, there's many more coming, but I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe, and you also click that bell if you watched this whole video and you're not a part of the Goria gang. I'd love to have you join. Also give this video a thumbs up if you ended up enjoying it, and let me know down below if you have any video requests. I love you guys so much. Stay positive and get through your days one day at a time, but focus on today and stop worrying about tomorrow. That's the tomorrow problem. Love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.